Hi, so today we're here with Sean from Goosehead Insurance, and we're going to talk about, now that you're under contract, what the difference is between home insurance and condo insurance. So Sean, can you explain that a little bit?
Yeah, absolutely. So for any single family home, we'll be looking at homeowners insurance. But anybody who's buying a condominium in a larger building, most townhomes, you're going to be looking at a condo policy. So the difference in the policy forms for a single family home, your standard homeowners policy is going to be what we would call an HO3. For a condo policy, that's going to be a little bit different coverage-wise. It's going to be what we would call an HO6. So let's say you're purchasing a condo in a building with 20 other units. There's two things that come into play here on the insurance side. On the exterior of the building, and part of your HOA dues are going to be paying into what's called an HOA master policy. This is going to be one large insurance policy that's going to be covering the general building, the exterior, the roof, general areas, common areas, and all the following. Now, what you would be responsible for owning one unit would just be getting an individual unit condo policy, or an HO6. So what this is going to cover is what we're going to call studs in coverage. So it's going to cover your interior walls, your floors, your kitchen, your bedrooms, your bathrooms, and the plumbing in all of your units. Now, one thing that we're going to be taking a look at here is how much are we going to be insuring your condo for? So a good point of reference is what we're insuring the condo unit for is not the market value, not what you paid for it, not the loan amount for your mortgage, but rather how much it would cost to rebuild the interior of your condo in the event that there was major damage. What we're going to do in this case, from general rule of thumb, anywhere in the Midwest, is we're looking at about $100 per square foot for interior rebuild coverage, kind of being the new standard, the new minimum with today's current reconstruction costs with building materials as well as market labor. Now on the homeowner's side of things, if you're purchasing a single family home, detached home, we'll be looking at what's called an HO3. An HO3 is going to cover the exterior of your home, the roof, the interior, the foundation, everything on your property from the top down. Homeowners insurance is going to be a little bit more comprehensive because we have a little bit more to insure on that side.
Remember, I'm here for all your mortgage needs. While I do renovation lending, I also do move-in ready. So if you're unsure whether you want to get a fixer-upper or a move-in ready, I can handle both. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more news, market updates, and opportunities to save money.